On 8th July 2023, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad Sangma, had inaugurated the Annex building of the Meghalaya High Court in the presence of Chief Justice Sanjib Banerjee, Law Minister Ampareen Lyngdoh and Education Minister Rakkam Sangma. Addressing the gathering, Conrad Sangma said that infrastructure development is a priority and this milestone will enable the court to deliver legal services more efficiently.
Respected Education Minister, Sri Rakkam Sangma, our respected motivate us to really push and get things done. So whether it's the education sector, whether it's the road sector, whether it's any other infrastructure areas, water sector, we have seen many things and investments that have been done.